What's up, guys? Today we're going to be talking about scanners. I'm going to show you the two scanners that I use, and I'm going to show you what they can do and why I have these two. So first of all, if you're working on any kind of a modern fuel injected engine with a computer in it, you're going to need some kind of a scan tool to be able to check the different warning lights. But not all scanners are created equal, and not all of them can do the same things. So today I'm going to show you the two that I use. And the first is my basic fast scanner if I just want to kind of check something out quick and I just need to either see the check engine light or the ABS light. And that is this. That is the Zurich ZR11, which you can pick up at Harbor Freight. That's where I got this one from. It is under $200, or was when I bought it. And the reason why I like this one is that it will pull both ABS and check engine light codes, which a lot of your cheaper scanners will not do ABS. So that's basically that. But let me show you on the car what that one does. To check out this first scanner, we're going to be using this Buick. The Buick does have a check engine light on, so I guess that's appropriate. And all you have to do to check codes with this one is plug this lead in to the OBD2 port. The scanner will power on. Turn your key on. It links automatically to the protocol for the vehicle. If there's an OE code, it'll ask you if it's a Buick or whatever it's detected, so you just say yes. So there is the code that I have right now. You can press DTCs to cycle through the different DTC codes, which is just the same one. Then you can actually erase by hitting just erase and yes. Mostly that's all this will do. This will pull ABS as well as check engine light codes, and it will pull up the live data, but it does not have a customizable live data screen, so it'll only show you certain things. But that's pretty much it. But as far as a quick scanner, this is great for getting codes without having to waste too much time. Okay, and my second scanner, this is my more in-depth scanner if I've got a bigger problem, and that is this. This is an Autel MaxCheck MX808. I got this through AutoZone, actually through their commercial program, but you can buy this from them if you're just a regular customer too. A few things that I like about it is touchscreen. It has a lot of functionality, and this can basically pull codes from every module in the computer, whereas my other one can only do ABS and check engine light. This can pull dash harness or like dash module stuff, like the body control module, the gauge cluster, stuff like that. This will even pull stuff from the radio system or from the climate control system. So this is my main scanner. This was a lot more expensive. This one was on the order of a little over $500 if I remember correctly. But if you think about all the times that you'll avoid going to the shop because you have this, it'll pay for itself pretty quick. So that's that. Let me show you what that one looks like in operation on the car. This Autel scanner does take a little bit longer to boot up and a little bit longer to use. But basically, once you're in the car and you've got it plugged in, you just press and hold the power button for a couple seconds. The light will turn green and it boots up just sort of like a computer. It'll come up to a desktop, which does take it just a minute. It has an unlock screen. Then it's going to come up to your software for checking the computer, which is this right here. Then all you're going to do is you're just going to go to diagnostics. You're going to tell it what kind of vehicle it is. So in this case, let's see, GM for Buick. then you can just do automatic selection, and you can enter the VIN, or you can let it read the VIN, which is pretty cool because it'll pull the vehicle information up for you. You won't have to do that. Then you have to tell it whether or not it has the air pump. It'll often ask you options like that, but that's no big deal. Once you're up to here, you can hit AutoScan, and this will actually pull everything that it can pull codes on. It's going to pull codes on, and right there you can see a list of all the different things that it can pull codes from. And then, so even with your powertrain not having a code right now, you can see there that the chassis does. So then I can just go right here to that, trouble codes, read codes. Right here, low tire pressure detected. So that's not even a real thing right now, but as you can see, it just shows you all these different things. But this can pretty much get into just about anything you would ever want to pull codes from. So even though it is kind of pricey, it is worth it in the long run, especially if you do repairs for customers and stuff like I do. You really need this. Then you've got print options. There's a lot of there's many things you can do, and I won't get into everything that this can do, but it can pull codes from everything. It can pull live data while the car's running, so you can see what's going on with the sensors and stuff. And it will pull codes from every single module and erase codes from every single module on the vehicle. So that's basically what you've got going on with this one. So that was my two main scanners and what I used them for and why. Hopefully that was useful for you guys. But if you have any other questions about either of these, let me know. And drop anything you need to know down in the comments, and drop me a like on this video, and I will see you guys in the next one. Thank you so much for watching, and peace.